In today's video, how to set iPhone ringtone on Android. Open Chrome and search for Zedge on Open the Zedge website. Here select ringtones at top menu. In the search bar type iPhone ringtone. From the search results select iPhone ringtone. Next click download button. It shows some ad. Once the ad completes file it save the .mp3 file to your device's downloads folder. Open your Android settings app. Scroll down and tap sound and vibration. Or sound. Tap phone ringtone. Or ringtone. Tap on pre-installed ringtones. Tap the ++ icon or add ringtone option. Tap on audio files, then choose your recently downloaded iPhone audio file from your downloads list. Then tap newly add ringtone from list to set your ringtone. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.